Hey guys, I made a mistake and I'm going to show you the mistake that I made, and hopefully you won't repeat this, because if you follow the online guides that are all over the internet, including mine, you're going to break this this front bumper filler panel fascia support bracket that's right here, just like I did in this video.
Yep.
And just like this fella did in this video.
Once you guys have this 3 bolts right here taken off, all you gotta do now is pull. Like that.
So in my last fit video where I installed the LEDs, I took off the headlights and had to take off these filler panels. And so all the online videos said to remove these 3 screws and then pull real hard. And as you could tell in the videos that I linked up above or dropped in here, a trim piece broke, a tab broke. I want to show you exactly why that did and how to avoid it. So this is inside the fender wells, and just on the inside of the washer fluid reservoir, you can see the bracket that it actually screws into. And I'm going to move the filler panel down here so you can see exactly where it broke. See that? I broke 2 tabs. 1, 2. There are 3 additional fasteners. 1, 2, 3. You can see them right. You can see all 3 of them right there. I want to try to grab a picture and drop that in with everything showing. You really, what I'm going to try to do is replace this bracket, remove those 3 fasteners, because I think that's probably the right way to do this. Pulling just breaks those. And so not only did I do that on one side, I did it on both sides, and that really caused a problem for me the other day. If you think that you can get away with just breaking these brackets and putting it all back together and calling it good, you're not correct. This side is also broken, and it's got the same 3 screws, 3 fasteners that you can get at. The first 2 look like they're going to be pretty easy, but that top one may need some swivels and some extensions, or you might be able to go up through the fender well liner. So what happened to me was I ran through a car wash, and it had pulled this off just like that. It was just enough. I didn't notice it whenever we got out of the car wash, and I drove down the interstate and this one last clip held on. That was it. And so gotta fix it. Spent the afternoon, since I shot the earlier part of the video, trying to find those brackets and to order the replacements, and I found them on Amazon. There are some replacement aftermarket brackets that got decent reviews. I think that there's enough of a market for these things that they're selling enough of them. There were several listings for these brackets, so I'm going to put a picture of them right here, and I'll link to them, put an Amazon affiliate link to them down in the description if you happen to have broken yours. By the way, these things are technically called front bumper fascia guides. They're not called retainers, they're not called clips, so pull on them at your own peril, okay? I've got them ordered. They should come in next week. I'll try to put together a quick video showing you how to install them next week. So guys, if you followed my video and you broke yours, I want to just apologize. I'm sorry. What can I say? I'm not a pro. Never claimed to be a pro. But let's see if we can do things the right way. I ordered a OEM shop guide for Silva, and so in the future, anytime I'm going to try to start taking something apart, I'm going to be consulting the guide instead of just a couple YouTube videos, which I suggest too. I got mine off of eBay. You can search for them. They're pretty easy to find. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and if you got any questions or experience or comments, let me know down in the comments below. Bye.